Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share you how to master speaking Chinese in a short amount of time. In our last lesson, we learned through simple words in Chinese Pinyin, a, o, and including how to pronounce and write them. By the way, if you feel a bit embarrassed about your writing, don't worry. Every great thing looks a little awkward at the start. Take a look at my size notebook. Here is how he wrote them. And guess what? He's doing great. I believe that since you clicked on this video, you are destined to be someone extraordinary. Alright, let's dive into today's lesson. We will cover the remain through simple vowels, I, U, and Yu. Like the others, they each have 4 tones. Before we begin, head to my YouTube channel and find the post right here and download the Pinyin writing chart. Let's get started. The first simple vowel is I. Write a vertical line, then add a dot on top. That's I without a tone. Now let's write it with the 4 tones. If you are not sure how to write the tones yet, check out our previous lesson where I explained it in detail. Here we go. First tone, follow me. I. Second tone, follow me. I. Third tone, follow me. I. Fourth tone, follow me. I. This vowel is used in the Chinese character for B, which is pen. See, learning Chinese is simple. Let's keep going. There is a Chinese old saying, 趁热打铁, which means shaping the arrow to create your gift you want before it's still red hot. The fifth simple vowel is U. Start with the vertical line. Don't lift your pen. Then draw a slightly curved line to the right. Pause. Check it out. It looks like this. Then join another vertical line to close it, like a U-shaped tube. This vowel is used in the Chinese character for Lu, which is road. Let's write its tones. First tone, U. Follow me. U. Second tone, U. Third tone, U. The fourth tone, U. No time to rest. Let's take out the final simple vowel. Yu. It's like a Wu, but without 2 dots on top. In my science textbook, the publisher used a fish shape to represent it. Look like this. In Chinese, the word for yu is yu, which means fish. It sounds the same. Let's write its tone. First tone, yu. Follow me. Second tone, 鱼 Follow me 鱼 Third turn 鱼 Follow me 鱼 Fourth turn 玉 Follow me 玉 That's it for this lesson. Keep practicing reading and writing. I encourage you to take a photo of your practice and writing, share it in the comments, and document your progress. I'm 芒果道长, our novelist teaching spoken Chinese, and our motto is 永不放弃. See you next time.